Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Stock Pro G's channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our latest stock market insights, upcoming trends, and hot investment opportunities. Today's topic: Top 4 Thriving Stock Markets. Today, we're taking you on a global adventure to explore the top 4 countries with booming stock markets. Buckle up and get ready to discover the key ingredients that fuel their success. We'll be analyzing these markets based on 3 crucial factors: market performance. How well are these stocks performing in terms of growth, stability, and overall returns? Economic stability. Is the underlying economy strong with factors like low inflation and healthy GDP growth? Investor confidence. Do investors feel secure and optimistic about putting their money into these markets? Hashtag United States of America. The undisputed heavyweight champion. The U.S. boasts the world's largest and most influential stock market, with the iconic New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and the tech-focused NASDAQ leading the charge. Here's what makes the U.S. market so attractive: diverse and powerful economy. The U.S. economy is a juggernaut encompassing a wide range of industries, from tech giants and innovative startups to established manufacturing powerhouses. This diversity helps to mitigate risk and provides a wealth of investment opportunities. Strong regulatory framework. Investors can be confident that the U.S. market has robust regulations in place to protect their investments and ensure fair trading practices. Innovation hub. The U.S. is a breeding ground for groundbreaking companies constantly pushing boundaries. This constant stream of innovation fuels market growth and attracts investors seeking a piece of the future. Hashtag 2. China. China's economic powerhouse status translates into a rapidly growing stock market. The Shanghai Stock Exchange and the Shenzhen Stock Exchange are key players, reflecting the country's impressive economic expansion and ongoing market reforms. Let's delve into what's driving China's market. Economic expansion. China's economic growth has been phenomenal in recent decades, leading to a surge in investor interest. Market reforms. The Chinese government is actively reforming its stock market to make it more transparent and accessible to foreign investors. Large and growing domestic investor base. China has a massive domestic population with growing disposable income, creating a strong base of potential investors within the country itself. Hashtag 3. India. India's stock market, spearheaded by the Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE, and the National Stock Exchange, NSE, has been on a tear, fueled by exciting developments and a thriving technology sector. India's rapidly growing middle class represents a vast pool of potential investors, eager to participate in the country's economic growth. India is a hotbed for tech innovation, with numerous startups and established tech companies attracting investor attention. The Indian government is actively implementing policies to promote investment and make the stock market more attractive to foreign investors. Number 4. Germany, Europe's economic powerhouse. Germany boasts a robust stock market anchored by the Frankfurt Stock Exchange. Here's what makes the German market a reliable performer. The German economy is known for its stability and efficiency, which translates into a reliable and predictable stock market environment. Germany is a global leader in manufacturing, with a solid industrial base that provides a strong foundation for the stock market. Germany's central location in Europe gives it easy access to a vast and dynamic market, further bolstering its economic and market strength. In conclusion, this journey has explored 4 of the world's most exciting stock markets. Remember, these are just a starting point. There are many other thriving markets to discover. Do your research, consider your investment goals, and happy investing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth stock market analysis, upcoming trends, and hot investment opportunities. Let us know in the comments below which country's stock market interests you the most and why. We love to hear from you.